Hey guys, Sarmila here, and today I'm talking about how to make garland. So last time I'm making that is kind like so simple, so easy, but this is see how this. So even though this is so easy, but you need to more concentrate, and when you're doing so you should be so much careful. So let's start how to make this garland and then see. So here I am using tissue paper. So tissue paper, I taking bunch of paper because we need too many paper. So what I did first for circle, so I took one bangles and I outlined that, and this tape size, because size you can you can take anything, but I am using that pattern. So I am making the circle here. So after that I am cutting that. So after cutting it's look like that. See here my one. So what we do, basically it's very simple, but only you need to so much careful because of it's very thin paper, and thin paper basically when you using any glue or anything, it's going to stick very fast. So here what I do first, you can see that 4 lines. So 4 lines, it means I am putting glue here 4 places, and I am using that strip because of the strip is making little easy that it's not going to stick. So I am putting glue, and you can use different glue also. I have that glue, so I am using that. So what I do, I am putting the second paper, see, so like that, and it's not going to stick and not making confusing me. So I am using the strip here, and I am putting here too. It's coming this way. So it means you easily remember your step, and it's not going to stick also, because I was saying that is thin paper. So it's kind of plus sign, yeah. So bring it here and bring it. It's art is not difficult, but only you need to so much concentrate, and this is basically that's game with that. So you need so much patience also. So see, now what we do, same pattern, but here I using glue here, here and here. So leave it that part, and now I put that strip. So put here and here. So I will show you. This is middle, here and here. So pattern is same, only all paper you need to, first time I using there, now I am using here. So like I am using different color. So basically you're making garland, so you can using different color, and you can use one. So see, stick here. So in either way you can take it out these one, but I have many strips, so I am using different one. So now I am going to do like that, this way too, from this way. And when you are doing these things, keep moving these strips, because this paper so much thin, so it's easily going to stick with that. And bring it here, and first pattern in starting we using same way. So now we are going to use here and here, and then putting this one like that, and keep doing same process all how much length you need. And after finishing this, I taking to circle, I put the thread here and tie here both side. So when you finish this, remove these strips all like that, and like this hole is keep continue like that. But when you taking this, you can put glue here and paste it here, and downside also. So after finishing, it's completely like that, because that is taking more time, so that's why I finished that, and then I will show you. I am just telling that process. So process completely same like plus, but only you need to change the all step you are doing this 4 way, and next time do this 4 way. So only this. So guys, do this art, and it's very simple, but in starting I was see, oh it's awesome, it's eye-catching that. So see that. So I don't think so it's look like a homemade, but really I made it this one. So guys, enjoy that art, and please like and share my video. and also I have YouTube channel, so please subscribe my channel and see you my next video. Bye.